Hello everyone, this is Sarah from English Zatuna, and today's video is gonna be about discourse markers in speech. And later on, inshallah, we're gonna take discourse markers in writing, but today let's chat a little bit about discourse markers in speech. First of all, we have to know what do we mean by discourse markers and for what purpose do we use them. Discourse markers are words and phrases which organize, comment on, or in some way frame what we're saying or writing. And here we're going to cover discourse markers while we're saying something. Okay, let's take an example. So, you live in Boston? Well, near Boston. So, well here is the discourse marker and we use it for a main purpose, which is, can you guess? Okay, here the speaker doesn't want to give the expected answer, which is yes. Okay, it shows that the speaker is aware that he or she is changing the direction of the conversation in some way. So, you live in Boston? Well, near Boston. So he doesn't want to say yes. Okay, this is the main purpose of using well here. So let's take other examples for markers which organize the different stages of a conversation. For example, now what shall we do next? So, would you like to come to the table now, please? Good, I'll ring you on Thursday then. Well then, what was it you want to talk about? Now then, I want you to look at the picture. So the last one, maybe it's said by the teacher in the classroom, so he just started to move on, okay? That's why he used now then is a discourse marker. Another example for discourse markers like mind you. Mind you is an afterthought. It's used just like however. So let's read this mini dialogue. It's cold, isn't it? Yeah. Mind you, it's November, so it's not surprising. Let's take another example. It's quite a problem. Look, why don't you let me sort it out? Would you? Thanks a lot. And also we can use listen. Okay, let's try it. It's quite a problem. Listen, why don't you let me sort it out? Would you? Thanks a lot. So look and listen here. We can use them in order to introduce a suggestion or even to introduce a point. Another example, let me see here. We use it in order to gain some time. What's your number? Let me see, I have it here somewhere. Okay. Another one, hang on or hold on. We can use it in the conversation in order to prevent the other speaker from interrupting us. So let's read this mini dialogue. And he said he started to talk and he wanted to talk that he was going blah blah blah, but the speaker B started to interrupt his speech. So he said, well, that's typical. Hang on, let me tell you what he said. So let me tell you what he said here means that let me continue what I'm saying. Okay, and also we can use hold on. Thank you for watching this short video and I hope you enjoy it. And if yes, please share it with your friends and wait for more. Bye bye.